Thank you. Everyone can be seated. So jury number 5 of the jury reached unanimous verdict as applicants. All right, thank you. Please give the verdict form then to our deputy. Thank you. And will our clerk please publish the verdict?
In the Circuit Court of the 6th Judicial Circuit in Fort Pinellas County, Florida, case number 12-12447 CI, Terry G. Bulliett, professionally known as Hulk Hogan, versus Gawker Media LLC, a.k.a. Gawker Media, Nick Denton, A.J. Deluria. Was the total amount of punitive damages, if any, which you find by the greater weight of the evidence, should be assessed against the defendants? Gawker Media LLC, $15 million, Nick Denton, $10 million, A.J. Deluria, $100,000. So say we are this 21st day of March 2016, for person in the jury.
Thank you very much. Would any of our counsel like the jury poll?
It's not necessary for the plaintiff, Judge. No, Your Honor.
Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, the jury, thank you so very much. I know that this has been a long time, and you have paid such attention to it and really carefully considered all the facts. So for that, we are all very grateful for all your attention and the sacrifices that you've all made. For centuries, we've relied on jurors to make difficult decisions in cases such as this. So for that, we are very grateful for you and for the time and sacrifices that you all made. I do want to let you know about a unique privilege that goes for jurors. Your deliberations are absolutely private. No one has interfered in your deliberations, and it's up to you that you have a unique privilege to maintain that privacy. You may be approached by media, those just curious, your friends or neighbors to know what your deliberations were in the back, but those deliberations are up to you to maintain those privacy. So you can certainly tell those people from this unique privilege that you have that you care to maintain that privacy and you do not want to share any of the deliberations with anyone. So those things that you've discussed in your jury room will be the privilege up to you as to whether or not you want to share any of the things that were said in the back. I do also want to let you know that it's just pretty much just up to you. So for that, we do have a certificate of appreciation for all of your time. I do appreciate it. And at this point in time, then you are excused from all the responsibilities and all of the obligations I put you under during all this time. So all those things that I made you swear to and restraints that I put upon you at this point are done, and you are released from your responsibilities as a juror. Thank you so very much for your time and your service to this case. Thank you.
Folks, if you would stand and follow me down, please.